Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the installed location on the EA application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within your device and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. Now from the home page, scroll all the way down and you will find the EA app button. Go ahead and click on it and you can click on the download button for your appropriate PC or Mac to download the installer for the EA app. Once the installer has been downloaded, you can open up the installer and before you click through the Let's Go button, you can click on Customize Setup in order to define where you want this to be installed. Once you click on Customize Setup, click on the Change button and from here you will be able to choose the directory where you want the EA app to be installed. You can also click on New Folder in order to install the EA application inside the folder that you desire. Then click on Select Folder and now you can click on the Let's Go button in order to proceed forward with installing the EA application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the installed location for the EA app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.